Hey guys, today I'm here at a very gorgeous project in Başakşehir, Istanbul, which is a mall, it's a hotel, it's an amazing location, right? And the mosque you can see right behind me, Başakşehir Mosque. The park is on this side, the hospital is over here. So you are in a prime location, basically, right over here. I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna go show you what this project is about. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Expat Millionaire, and today I am here in Istanbul in Başakşehir again. After many years, I'm shooting another video in Başakşehir, and I'm here at a very amazing project that I want to tell you about. I'm here with Miss Maya. Hello, Miss Maya. Thank you so much.
How are you?
Good. Thank
most
you so
welcome.
much. How are you? Thank you for the invitation.
You're most welcome.
The place is lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I want to ask you, Miss Maya, about this project, which is a mall and hotel. Can you tell us the concept a little bit more?
Okay, so let me start with talking about Başakşehir a little bit.
Sure.
So I know that you've already done videos about the area, but we know that Başakşehir is being developed more and more every year.
That's right.
And one of the biggest projects under development right now is the project we're talking about today. In the middle of Başakşehir, in the main Meydan, right in front of the big mosque, which is going to be V Mall in addition to a hotel, Hillport Hotel. Both projects are in the same area, so they're together, a mall and a hotel. So investors are going to be making a profit because of the location, because of the the importance of the project. In Başakşehir, we don't have any 5-star hotels right now.
Oh, there is no
5-star hotels, and the closest one is 20-40 minutes away. But in the area here, there are no other 5-star hotels.
Even the mall, I didn't see a proper mall in this region, like a full mall.
This is the only mall in this area.
Perfect.
The closest one is, again, at least 20 minutes away.
Okay.
And this is going to be one of the biggest malls in Istanbul.
Okay.
Not only in Başakşehir, and it's going to be, a high-end mall. So it's going to be of service for the whole area here.
Can you tell us, Ms. Maya, about this developer? Who is the developer here?
Okay, so we are Isra Holding, one of the biggest companies in Istanbul, in Turkey. We have been working since 2002.
Okay.
So this is one of the most important companies in the area. And what's very important about Isra Holding is that we are a company that works in funding in Islamic-backed funds.
Oh, that's great. That's a very good point.
Yeah.
So it's all like halal finance.
All halal finance.
Oh,
so we have zero bank debt. Zero bank debt.
Alhamdulillah.
So
this is a very key point, actually. Yeah.
Of course, especially in Turkey.
For the investors.
With the high interest rates and what's going on with the interest rates right now. So you can rest assured that our balance sheet has absolutely no debt.
No riba, no interest.
No riba, no debt, nothing. And all of our projects are halal finance.
So, great.
Yeah, this is very important to say.
Can we talk about their previous projects, what they've done? Maybe I remember you telling me about one of the projects that they've done.
Yeah,
before.
I can. We have lots of projects that have already been done.
Oh, great!
But in order for me to just show you something that we have. Something that we can see. We have the Metroway Mall, which is a small mall in the area. This is a 3-story mall. It's a small mall, shopping mall.
Okay.
Very small. A small food court. And right now you can see, and we can go and you will see that it's full.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the V Orman Resort.
Yeah.
Gorgeous place.
Wow.
Where
is this?
In Bolu.
In Bolu, the lake.
Next to the lake, Apant.
Oh, it's an amazing place. Love the design.
It's villas.
Right.
Yeah, and right now the hotel is being built.
Okay, the villas are all sold out, I guess?
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, of course.
Separate villas.
Amazing.
And you have the hotel, which is right now under construction and is being funded through capital fund.
Capital fund.
Yeah.
So people
so if
can
you can,
invest.
if people want to invest in the hotel, they can invest in the hotel. Yeah.
Okay, Ms. Maya, can we come back to this project? Because I feel like, because we're in this location, and I think this one sounds very interesting.
It is.
So we have the hotel apartments,
Yes.
and then you have the mall.
Yeah.
Can we
Each one of
explain
them
this?
is financed differently.
Okay.
So the mall is a fund.
Okay.
Okay, you can invest in the fund. You
Right.
can purchase a number of shares. The minimum amount for investment, or the minimum number of shares for investment, is 10 shares.
10 shares.
The share right now is its market price is 36,000 TL.
So around close to $1,000.
$886 right
10
now.
shares. Okay, that's not bad.
Before it started construction, the share was approximately 13,000. So you can see the capital gains it has done. And I have a lot of investors who bought before construction and have already sold and made capital gains on the investment.
So there's no limit on when you can sell. You can sell at any time.
Well, the hold-up period, in order to be tax exempt under capital markets board, has to be 2 years.
2 years, which is not too bad.
It's not too bad.
It's not a long time.
For me, as someone who is, who has experience in funds and in finance,
Sure, that's right.
if you want to invest in a fund,
Right.
and the fund management doesn't tell you that there is a hold-up period, a lock-in period, and there's no minimum, you have to be scared.
Of course.
So this means that they're not serious about the fund, that it's not regulated. Because under the regulations of the SPK, you have to have a lock-in period and you have to have a minimum. So that, so this is part of the transparency, the governance of any fund that is under management of the SPK.
And you mentioned about the citizenship eligibility as well?
Yes, definitely. So all our projects are eligible for citizenship.
Even the fund as well?
The fund and the mall, both of them.
Mall. Okay.
The mall, the fund and the hotel.
And the hotel.
And the hotel, yeah.
This is very interesting.
Yeah, so the hotel, it's the hotel, you purchase apartment. It's a furnished apartment.
Okay.
It's going to be furnished 5 stars level.
Oh, nice.
Because it's going to be managed as a 5 stars hotel.
V Hotel, right?
Okay.
It's called V Mall.
V Mall and Hillport.
Hillport. Hillport.
Yes,
okay.
Hillport.
V Mall, Hillport.
Yeah.
Nice. Very good. Very good.
Okay, so you purchase your apartment. If you want to purchase more than one apartment, you're more than welcome.
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Okay, and the hotel is going to be managed by
your company itself.
Yeah, it's a company called Aurica, which is a subsidiary
of Isra.
But it's going to be completely independent.
Independent, of course.
Okay,
of course.
they have already experience in managing 5-star hotels.
Oh, great.
Which is one of them is the V Orman Resort.
Right.
And you can check on Google reviews. It's
great
doing
reviews.
Wonderful reviews.
Oh, great!
Actually, and
awesome.
it's going to be a pool system.
For the hotel?
For the hotel.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter whether your specific apartment gets rented or no, you are part of the whole system as a hotel.
Okay.
So this is how you get your share or your dividends.
Sure. Okay, so the risk is spread out over
the
entire
hotel. The entire hotel. The first 2 floors of the hotel are home offices.
Home offices.
And then you have 12 floors of furnished apartments.
And those home offices are on sale? They can be bought?
They are also on sale.
To be used as a home office, essentially?
Exactly. But the home offices are not going to be furnished. So because it's a home office, so
you can do yourself.
You purchase it and you do your own furnishing.
Right.
Whereas the hotel is going to be fully 5
furnished.
stars furnished.
Let's talk numbers, since you're also finance. So we're talking about the hotel. How much do we need to a minimum amount? What's the starting point and returns?
Well, if for the hotel, I'm gonna talk about the square meter.
Sure, no problem.
So the price of the square meter is starting for $4,200.
Okay.
Which is including not only the construction but also
all the furniture.
Okay.
So it's going to be ready to be rented out.
Yeah. You don't you don't have to worry about anything
at all.
No, you just buy it, you get. And there's something that I forgot to mention, that this furnished or the Hillport, it's one of 3 hotels in Istanbul that has the tabu as furnished apartments.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, and this is one of the most difficult tabus to get. Yeah.
So it has the title deed, furnished title deed.
Exactly.
Fully. Wow.
Yeah, furnished apartment, which makes it easier for taxation purposes when you rent it out.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. So we can get like 1 unit for citizenship, probably, right? 80 square meters.
Depending on the because there are apartments that are 63 square meters and above.
Oh, so even possibly 2. Okay, got it. Yeah, that could be possible.
It could be possible to get 2, yes.
Right, for the citizenship. Yeah. And then for the mall, there's no minimum, the minimum you said is...
Well, because it's an investment, then as per the regulations, it has to be $500,000.
$500,000
as an investment.
For the investment.
Yeah, because this is how you get the citizenship.
Oh, because it's a fund, and right.
Yes.
So 500K with the fund, 400, roughly 450,
450 for the apartments.
For the apartments.
So you can purchase 1 big apartment or more than
2
smaller apartments. Yeah.
How much are the returns for these?
Well, we're talking about, good returns actually. So we're talking in the, if I'm going to talk ROI, only the dividends.
Right.
So we're talking about between 6 and 7%.
Gotcha.
So if I'm going to talk about the rental, if we're going to talk in terms of years.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So after 16 years, you get back your
payback.
Your payback.
Payback is
so the
done.
payback time is going to be 16 years. That's without the appreciation. Yeah.
Gotcha. This is for the hotel.
For the hotel.
And then
then the mall, we're talking also between 6 and 7%.
Roughly the similar, right?
Roughly similar. Yeah. The mall, for me, what I like about the front of the mall is that, instead of purchasing or renting one shop, you might open a restaurant, or you might open, I don't know,
a cafe or whatever. Right.
It might not be profitable. It might not work out.
Right.
This way, you are spreading your risk across all of the shops
there.
Open in the mall. Whether we're talking cafes, restaurants, clothes, kids area. It's going to have one of the biggest kids areas.
Right.
And Başakşehir, if you know, it's one of the cities that have a big percentage of young people.
Yes.
And right now they have, they don't have a place to. They don't have a place to go. Yeah. So they have a lot of, the
cafe,
parks,
restaurants and stuff, but
not
like
I'm
a full.
1000% sure that all of them are going to be.
Sure.
Arcades. You get also your share from the advertisements. From the parking, from all the
amenities there.
Activities that are going to be done in the mall.
Got it.
So you are spreading your risk
across the entire thing.
So it's much more less risk and more profit, inshallah.
Now, just wanted to jump to the other thing, if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
Because it was quite interesting.
Yes.
Geothermal. So what are we talking about here? Like, I see a bunch of things: geothermal, petrol, gas.
Okay, so Geothermal is another subsidiary of ISA Holding.
Okay, sure.
This we own. This is a drilling company.
Right.
Okay, we work in the same drill. Can drill for petrol and gas, and drills also for geothermal energy. Okay. Geothermal energy is the hype globally right now.
Right.
If you follow the news, you'll see that big companies in the US.
Norway, is it Norway or
Norway,
in Sweden?
Yes. Fervo in Sweden.
Yeah.
So they have actually Fervo is one of the companies that have that were able to get very big fundings for their geothermal projects, just recently.
Right.
Google and Amazon are also working on, and funding this kind of...
For the data warehouses, data centers that they need.
So they're funding this type of project. Now, what's very interesting is that Turkey is ranked 4th worldwide, 4th globally in the reserves of geothermal energy.
number 4. Okay.
And if we're going to talk about policies, because this type of project is very important to have the backing of the government.
The government, yes.
What they have as projections for 2035 is that the renewable energy is going to count for more than 50% of electricity in Turkey.
Right.
Okay. And of this 50%, 64% of it is going to be geothermal.
Geothermal.
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
Okay. So this drilling company is working right now in Are in Diyadin area, which is also one of the biggest reserves in Turkey.
In Turkey for this.
Highly untapped.
Wow.
We are working right now. We already have contracts for 33 wells.
Wow. Okay.
What's beautiful about this fund is that its revenues are already predictable.
Predictable revenues.
Yeah,
from now we can see clearly.
From now until 3 years, you can know because we have 33 wells.
Right.
The invoicing that we do is per well.
Okay.
So we already know for 3 years what are the revenues that we are doing, and the brut CAR is going to be approximately more than 30%.
40% profit. More than 40%.
More than 40%. So we're looking at returns between 14 and 22% on this fund.
What about this tax advantages here? Like
Definitely,
you mentioned,
like any other fund managed by the SPK, after 2 years lock-in period, tax advantages on your, so exempt from taxes.
Even the first 2 years will be?
After 2 years.
Oh, the first 2 we pay the taxes?
Yes,
then
then after 2 years, after a lock-in period of 2 years, you get your tax exempt on your capital gains and on your dividends.
On your dividends too, so both are tax exempt.
Very important.
This is insane.
Now, right now, I have remaining only 10 spots for the citizenship.
Okay.
So you invest $500,000 for the citizenship.
For the citizenship, right.
And there is a buyback option on them after 3 years.
Wait. So after 3 years, you are going to guarantee, like this company guarantees buyback.
That I'm going to buy them back
for the same price.
Yes, for the same price.
So in any case,
I'm sure you're not. The investor is not going to want to exercise this option.
They have this guarantee.
So I'm telling that you come and invest in this with zero risk if you want to get citizenship.
So just to be clear, so after 3 years, you can get back your 500K.
Yes, plus your dividends.
Plus your dividends.
Yeah.
Wow.
Plus your dividends. But you're not going to want to do that because they're going to be worth much more.
So those will increase in value as well. But the wells, are they not going to...
Because why are we funding?
But aren't the wells going to finish after a certain time? Or
no, actually the plan for the next 10 years is to do 165 wells. Okay, so this is the plan.
Right.
The funding now is to purchase more drills.
More drills.
So right now we own one drill.
Right.
Okay, which is deep drilling equipment. Not only the drill, everything you can see here in the photo. So the hangars, the camions, the accessories, all of them. Okay, we're looking at purchasing or to having a fleet of 3 deep drilling equipment and 1 medium drilling. Okay, so 4. So this is what you are investing in.
Okay, good.
This is what you are investing in, and of course we're not going to be working only in Ari. Right now we're working in Ari.
Right.
Okay, but the objective is to go outside of Turkey, maybe.
Right.
So anywhere in Turkey and outside of Turkey.
So the investor is investing in the company itself, not in the specific well or certain
definitely
thing.
not.
Right.
Definitely not. In the growth of the company.
Of the company.
Yeah, and because this is a capital fund. Venture capital fund.
Okay.
This is the first venture capital fund. Okay, so this is in order to increase the assets of the company. So you are actually investing in the assets, real assets.
Right. Yeah. And you mentioned about 8 to 10 years. Is that how it's going to be? Like within 8 to 10 years, what's going to happen?
This is the return. Your
full money is
full money returned within 8 to 10 years. Yeah, because the percentage of the expected return is high. So we're talking 14 to 20%.
20%.
And if you want to talk, maybe some customers will say, or some investors will say that there are energy funds that pay more than this. If you are maybe purchasing stocks in oil and gas and stuff like that. But the risk is much higher, and this is if we want to talk about from an Islamic point of view, if you want, investment which is asset-backed, fully you're investing in the asset.
In the asset.
You're not investing in something that you're not seeing or something that is not there.
And they're not dealing with
and you don't deal with speculation.
Right.
Yeah, you're dealing with actual contracts. You're dealing with actual invoices. This is what you're dealing with, so you're not dealing with any
interest or anything.
Speculation.
Speculation, right?
Speculation.
Okay.
And what's important for me is that the investor knows that no speculation. Because if you want to look at people are talking about gold, stock markets,
so there's a lot of doubts and
lots of doubts. Even if I want don't want to talk about the halal factor here. We're looking at a bubble. If you read all of the data, the news, the interviews,
you feel
everyone
that
is talking
even the gold will be a bubble, you think, or?
Well, it's gonna depend on
it's speculation
politics,
again.
It's speculation.
Again, it's speculation.
This is what I want the investor to
realize.
To realize that don't invest in speculation.
What makes this not a speculation? What would you say?
Because it's asset-backed.
I see.
It's asset-backed. It's regulated.
So we're buying into the assets, meaning the machinery and everything here, and the wells. Do we have rights?
The wells, no. What we do is that we drill the well. Okay, so we're drilling the well. This is the modus operandi, if you want.
Right.
So we drill the well, and the well is operated by another company. So our customers are the companies that harvest the well to create electricity. And what they do is that they rent from us the drilling services, not only the equipment, the whole drilling services,
the operation, everything.
So the whole, let's say, operation of the
this company, right?
Not of the company, but the whole operation of the electricity or geothermal. We are one part of it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're not taking the whole risk of the whole operation.
Right.
You're investing in one part, which is the most
key element,
the key element part, and the part that is backed by the assets.
Okay. Right. So the risk is very.
So it doesn't matter whether we find oil and gas or we find geothermal. The rental is going to be paid because this is how the well is invoiced. Right.
So 3 years, you're seeing ahead what's happening. Like you have all
Definitely, we're working on more contracts. Definitely.
Of course. Yeah. Okay, Ms. Maya, this is great. I think we have very good opportunities here. Thank you so much.
We do.
So we'll tell the viewers, guys, feel free to visit here, and we'll share the details. Please get in touch with us. You have the contact information below. And then when you come here, you'll be greeted by Ms. Maya and her wonderful team over here. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.